2018 for this quick rear shock replacement. The rear shock it's mounted between the subframe here all the way to the body of the car, right? So it is held by 50 millimeter over here. It's bolted to the knuckle and so 13 bolted to the back. Let's take them off. It is 13 millimeter on the body. I actually use some WD-40 to lube up the treads. So let's take them off. I'm using my Milwaukee Impact to take this off, but this job can actually be done with regular hand tools, by the way. Okay. Right. Bolt number one. I got both nuts out. Right, the 13 millimeter. So now let's remove the lower bolt to the knuckle. It is a 15 millimeter. It's out. Here it is, 15 millimeter. So the shocks are free now. Let's take it off. There it is. For reference, that one is actually not leaking. It's the driver's side wheel that's leaking. You should replace them in pairs, so I'm gonna replace that one anyway. Although it is fine, I'm just gonna replace it. Alright. Here is the new shock. So we actually get them from the Ford dealership down the street. Alright. I'll post the link in the comment section below. So let's put it in. Insert that part first. And you should see that. So I have the bolt, the nut on top. Alright, so I'm about to put the lower bolt in. I'm gonna use my electric washer to get it in. So everything is in, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. You will need an alignment after you get it, if you get them, by the way. Thanks. See you on the next one.